What's up, guys? This is Rony. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 6, and today's topic will be how to draw rectangles using OpenCV5. Okay, so in the last tutorial, we have seen how to draw circle, and before that, I believe we have seen how to create or how to draw lines. And in this tutorial, we'll understand how to draw rectangles, right? So basically, as discussed in OpenCV or with OpenCV, we can create multiple shapes, multiple geometrical shapes using OpenCV drawing function. So we are discussing this thing. Once these things are done, we'll be going to discuss something like more advanced. Okay, so slowly we'll increase the complexity of the tutorial. Okay, so just stay tuned and try to watch the entire video, and once you watch the entire video, try to do some practice or else you will forget. And the good thing about this playlist, I generally share all the source code with you. So once you complete the video, you can actually refer to the GitHub source code to practice. Okay, so enough of talking, let's start working on the hands-on on the coding part. Okay, so let me minimize this thing. Okay, and let's okay, so first thing, import numpy as np and then import cv2. Okay, first thing we'll create a numpy array for our image structure, so it will be np.zeros. Okay, so what I'll do, I'm just going to write, it will be 500 503, right? And it will be np.uin. Okay, right? Now let's draw cv2 dot rectangle. Okay, rectangle has img 0.1 0.2 color thickness. Okay, okay, so I still have the fever. So the 0.1 is actually top left, bottom right. 0.1 is top left, so top left is actually it will be, I believe top left is here actually. So maybe I want to create a rectangle. Let's say it is 500 into 500, so I can write top left may be here. Okay, it will be, let's say 100 100 100 0. Okay, top left, and it will be bottom right. So bottom right is actually maybe bottom right. Top left, bottom right. Bottom right is actually here. Bottom maybe, I can say bottom maybe here, and right. So maybe I can say bottom right. Okay, so this. So maybe it will be, let's say 400 by 400. Let's see, 400 means actually this. Maybe bottom is actually here, right? And it is top left is actually here, right? I believe this is okay. Then color is, let's say color, maybe I'll just going to give something red, bg, reddish color. I just want to put some reddish color, so maybe 45 bg 78, or r is actually going to be 231. Okay, and let's say thickness equals to, let's say 5. Okay, now what we'll do, cv2 dot im show. Okay, so I just write rectangle. Okay, and there I just write img. Okay, and then what will happen while true. Okay, then cv2 dot wet key 1 and 0 ff equals to ord q. Okay, if q, then okay. we got destroy. Okay, all done. Let's execute this thing and see. Yeah, if you see, this is a rectangle. Okay, right? Hope you guys understood. As I'm saying, this is going to be there's going to be a red colored image. Okay. 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 So I want to actually make it from here a little bit downwards, right? So maybe it will be 500, and then I want to make it let's say 100. So this is actually 100 0. So I want to make it let's say 20 50. Okay, what I'll do, let's press Q and try to do it. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so now what we'll do, I want to draw another like thing inside that. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just make it 2. Okay, Q equals to 2. Okay, let's copy this thing here. So next thing will be 70, and this is going to be 350, and this is also going to be 350. Okay, and here the color will be little bit 245, and this one. Okay, let's execute. So these two things are actually imposed with each other because this line is same, so I want to make it a little bit inside. Okay, so maybe from here, so it will be 120. Okay, let's do it from 120. Yeah, that's it. But that 120 is actually not equally distributed, right? So maybe this entire thing is actually 100, and basically I'm starting it from here 100, and it is actually here it is kind of 400. So entire is 500. So maybe let's make it 170, maybe be little bit realistic. Yeah, it is more on that side. Okay, you can do it by calculating everything, right? So similarly, let's make it 150 and 100. Okay, okay, right. Now I want to actually draw another square inside. Okay, some pattern. I'm just creating some pattern, guys, nothing else. Okay, 150, then probably it will be 200, and maybe it will be maybe 300, and maybe it will be 250, and this is also maybe 250. Let's see how it is going to react here. Yeah, this is a small thing here. Okay, I have to understand. So it starts from 200 and 200 to 50 here, and then I say 250. So 250 here, and then 250. So okay, so 200 to 50 here, then 250 to 50. So I think I have to go a little bit down here. I actually go a lot of down from here. So it starts from 150. I think it should be 180 is actually more than enough here. 180 is more than enough, and if I do 180, just hold on, let me do it. Yeah, so 180, actually I want to make it a little bit bigger here because I'm starting it from here 180, so it should be 350. it will be 350, and at the top it is 250. So let me try what happened. Yeah, so actually this is 350 here, and this is, it's actually combined with this one, 350, 250. 250 is actually somewhere here, so I don't want 350, I just want here 30 is fine, I believe so. Yeah, 30 is fine, but I just want to keep it a little bit downwards. So to make it little bit downwards, I want to make it, let's say 200. Okay, let's do it 200. Yeah, 200 is here, but here it has to be a little bit down. So it is much downwards here. So what I want to do, I want to just make it here top left 150, 100. So I want to make it, let's make it 130. Okay, hopefully this will work now. Yeah, right. So now this is 330, 250. 330 here, 250 here. So this is actually 130 here, right? So I can 130 here, and from 130 it will go to 330 here, and 330 here, and 250. 350 here, 250 here, right? So here I can make it 300. Let's make it 300. Okay. So bottom left. Yeah, right. Now let's increase this one. Okay. So let's make it 390. Okay. Okay, 390 is actually not useful. Then make it, let's make it 360. Okay. Yeah, 360. Now let's put some color. Okay, so to make it color, it will be always -1, right? I'm just trying to create some coordinate system and the colors. And if you want to make it color fill, you have to use this. And after that, if you see, okay, fine. So this is a nice looking rectangle, right? So now here, if you see these two rectangles are same, so what I'll do, I'll just want to make a different color here. Okay, so maybe I want to make it 187, 15. Okay, and let's execute. Okay, so there are total 3 colors are there. So that is how you can create some geometrical shapes using OpenCV drawing function. So in this tutorial, we'll learn how to create rectangle, how to create some pattern within the rectangle, how to create multiple rectangle, how to create rectangle within rectangle, so many different things using this tutorial. Okay, so I believe that is the end of this tutorial, but before I conclude, I just want to request couple of things. So first thing, once you watch this video, after watching the video, try to do the coding by your own, because see, until and unless you are not doing the coding by your own, you will not remember anything, because hands-on coding is important. Okay, so please practice, and that will help you to create some other use cases out of it. See, so whenever we are going to do some interview or in the company, if you are going to work, you won't get this sort of smaller or simple use case, right? These things are just for developing the intuition, right? So after watching this video, you have to think through it and try to visualize and create some extensive like use cases and try to solve them. If you are not able to solve them, please let me know. We'll try to include this thing in our upcoming tutorial, and if those tutorials are like, if those use cases are very simple, I'll try to give you the solution and answer then and there. Okay, the second thing, if you're watching this channel for the first time, thank you very much for watching this video. So please watch the video till end, and after that please try to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share my videos with your family and friend, and try to hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you should not miss any notification for the future videos. Okay, and last but not least, guys, I want to share something that this channel is completely maintained by me. I'm the only contributor for this channel, so I'm doing a lot of effort to find out the content, creating the content. I have to also do some studies and create the use cases, right? So I need some support from all of you guys, and the support, I don't need any monetary support. Just help me by sharing my videos and try to subscribe to my channel, because the moment you guys start subscribing, my subscriber count will grow and YouTube algorithm will also push my video to the large number of audience, and that is my ultimate goal, to reach large number of audience. So help me guys, I would like to grow and I need your support and help to grow. Please help me. Okay, so enough of talking, I'm just going to conclude the video over here. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day and happy learning.